Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a boy. So let's start. First of all, draw a circle. Okay, ears. Now draw the eyes. Nose and the hair. Now draw a hand. Draw another hand. Now draw his bangs. Legs and the shoes. Another shoes. And our cute boy is ready. Now make a smile with red color. Okay, now start coloring it. Color his face with skin color crayon. Now color his t-shirt with red color crayon. And also the shoes with red color crayon. Add some yellow color and pants with purple color crayon. So friends, our cute little boy is ready. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.